At some point in time, your hood may become difficult to open from rust or wear and tear. Thankfully, we have some replacement options. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1981 to 87 Buick Regal, T-Type, and Grand National hood install kits. These are available with or without the hood latch assembly. This hood installation set includes both the hinges, the hood latch bracket, safety catch, hood pop spring, hood lift strut brackets, and mounting hardware. Each component is manufactured from 20-gauge steel using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels where applicable. At the end of the production line, each component is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an Edv coating. Edv coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your parts without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at OPGI.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.